Hey everyone! Check out the JBL FLIP 5 waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker in sleek black. This compact device delivers surprisingly bold sound wherever your adventures take you. It features a rugged design, built to withstand splashes and spills with ease. Plus, the included Megen Hardshell Protection Case keeps it safe on the go. You get up to 12 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge. Bring your favorite music along to the beach, pool, or park effortlessly. Upgrade your listening experience today with this fantastic portable speaker. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.